Percent word problems continue. So we're going to continue on from our notes from yesterday. I can solve percent of a number problems in real world situations. So yesterday we found the discount on this snowboard. We found out that we took 60% of it, so 0.6 times the 318.50 got me 191. That's what I was saving. So we subtract that and get 127.40. Problem with this item, though, is you must add tax. You could not leave the store with it. For our purposes right now, we're going to use, there's going to be different taxes throughout the problems, but right now we're going to use 7% tax, that there's a 7% tax on the items in the state we're dealing with. So we would need to add a third step. Our third step would be to find out how much tax we're paying. So we need to take our amount and times our 7% tax. So you would take 127.40 times the point. Now, I wrote this wrong. We have to back it up. It'd be 0.07. That is a common mistake most people make, is they want to put 0.7. 8.918. Now we need to do some rounding here. We want to always round to the hundredths place. This 8 tells this number to go up to a 2. So our tax is $8.92. So now we need to take our amount that we're paying for the snowboard plus our $8.92. So we would have 127.40 plus our $8.92. In order to walk out of the store today, this snowboard is going to cost $136.32. So now we're going to add. We're going to add tax. So here we go. We're going to have a 3 or 4 step problem depending on how you're going to do something. This one is just saying it's not on sale, so we're not taking anything off. We're just trying to figure out how much tax there is. So we need to, in this case, there's 7.25% tax. So we take it, back it up. So we're going to take our 0.0725 for our tax times our $19.99. We need to figure out how much we have to pay on tax for this game. In this case, we get a big number, 1.449275. Again, we really don't care. We only care to the hundredths place. The 9 tells the 4 to go to a 5. So now we are going to take $1.44 and we need to add $19.99. We add our tax. So if I take $1.44 plus my $19.99, I get this to be $21.43. All right, you try this one. It's 2 steps. It says Xbox One costs $349.99, but Target has it on sale today for 25% off. How much will you pay for it? Find your discount from yesterday and then add your tax. Stop the video now. When you've got it solved, see how you did. All right, welcome back. Let's do it. I'm going to do it in 4 steps. Step 1, we're going to take 25%, 0.25 times my $349.99. That gives me 349.99 times 0.25 gives me $87.50. So that's how much I'm saving today. So I'm going to take my $349.99 and I'm going to subtract my $87.50. So $349.99 subtract $87.50 gives me $262.49. That's a pretty good savings for this. However, I can't walk out of the store with that yet. Now I need to take my $262.49 times, again, we're going to use 7% as our tax. So we back it up, 0.07. And we get our tax to be $18.37. So now we need to take our $262.49, and we need to add our $18.37. and we get $280.86 that we're going to walk out of the store with. So let's do the number one. This is the first one on your worksheet that you're going to have that's attached at the bottom. They're telling us we're going to buy some colored pencils today. They're discounted 4.25%, but the tax rate is 8%. So the tax is more than the discount, so we're going to end up paying probably more than we want to. So let's take it first thing. They're $3.99 times, back it up, 0.0425. And let's get this first. So 0.0425 times 3.99 gives me 17 cents. Check your rounding. So that's all I'm saving today on $3.99. It's not very much because it's a small amount. Is 17 cents. So I get $3.82. So now I have to take my $3.82 times my tax rate. In this case, taxes are a little bit more, 0.08. And that gives me 31 cents. Again, check your rounding. So now I need to take my $3.82 plus my 31 cents. And that gives me $4.13 total. So that's what you're going to be doing today. I should see 4 steps. These ones are not going to be super nice discounts, so you're not going to be able to just automatically do them in your head. So I'm going to need to see all 4 steps.